Hey everybody, Frank Sullivan, Mad Scientist here. I just wanted to show you a couple things for the conference that I'm going to be bringing. Now, this right here, the long white cylinder, is a ram pump. It takes water and builds up pressure through a creek and can pump water all the way up the top there and shoot it out a couple 100 feet uphill. The beauty of it is it's a series of one-way valves and doesn't need any power to it. The creek powers it by itself. This thing right here, get that, that is an ethanol maker. I'm going to bring that along and show how it's done. I can make 200 proof out of this thing. Bring that to the conference and see what happens. Now this, I'm not sure if you're familiar with evacuation tubes. I'm doing a little experiment with them. A friend of mine has a solar company and he gave me this to test out. Because these are Paltech tiles. They produce power. If you get them hot on one side and cool on the other side, they'll produce electricity. So what my thoughts are is mounting it to this system, which creates very hot water, and putting it on one side of it and having it cool on the other side and see what kind of power I get. Maybe I can even produce enough power to have it self-sustaining. We'll see. But it's an interesting experiment. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a couple things that I'm going to be bringing to the conference other than the Stan Meyers stuff. There's my future urine generator. I could bring that with a bottle of urine if you want. Okay. All right, that's about it for now, and I guess we'll go from there. All right, one other thing I wanted to show you. I showed this briefly before. This is a low RPM generator. Produces 5 kilowatts of power at 750 RPMs. Now, I hooked up a little Dremel here and a voltmeter. So watch this. I'm going to spin this by hand. It's got a little hand crank there. Let's show you what happens. Here it goes. And we're making about 51 volts, give or take. Can't do it fast enough. There we go. But that's a unique little thing that I'll be bringing so everybody can mess around with. Now, just a word of warning. We're in the laboratory / house of the mad scientist. And here's why. There's a couple people I'm going to be picking up at the airport, and they're going to come and stay here. I just wanted to pre-warn them because everywhere is an experiment. Now, in the fridge I got some peach tea right here. What's this kind of tea over here? It's pea. Not tea. Pea. Tea. Pea. Don't drink the pea. You can drink the tea, but not the pea. Just a little warning.